If you've been waiting for the right time to finally design your home, this is it. Furniture takes 2 to 4 months to arrive. The holidays are right around the corner, and I just launched the course that will walk you step by step through creating a home you love without the guesswork, overwhelm, or expensive design fees. Hi, I'm Nikki D, or Nicole, your interior design bestie, here to officially welcome you to the brand new Designer Home 101 Master Course. I've mentioned this course in every video for the past year, and it's finally here. After months of filming, editing, and pouring every ounce of my design knowledge into this course, it's ready for you. And this is the lowest price it will ever be. So if you've been thinking about it, now is the time. Real talk, furniture shipping times are no joke. Most pieces take 2 to 4 months to arrive, and if you want your space to be ready before the holidays, you have to start planning now. This course was made for real people like you that want a high-end designer look but don't know where to start. Whether you've been procrastinating, overwhelmed, or just haven't had the right tools, this is your roadmap. If you watched my Luxe for Less series where I showed you how to recreate designer spaces on a budget, this course takes it to the next level. I'll walk you through exactly how I do everything, from building out my design boards to sourcing those high-end looks for a fraction of the price. You'll learn how to mix high and low or go all low, but no one will know what you actually paid. Designer Home 101 is divided into 7 jam-packed modules, plus an 8-week challenge to help you execute everything step by step. The course includes almost 9 hours of video lessons broken into short, easy-to-digest videos that you can watch at your own pace. You don't need to watch it all in one sitting. Each module builds on the last, so you'll always know what step to take next. Here's a quick breakdown of what's inside. Module 1, Design Principles. You'll learn the rules of design so that you could break them with confidence. We'll cover balance, scale, rhythm, lighting, and more. Module 2, Finding Your Style. You'll discover your true style, create your design brief, and stop getting lost in the trends. Module 3, Color Palette Creation. Master color theory and undertones and get my go-to designer-approved paint colors so you never feel stuck again. Module 4, Space Planning. You'll learn how to measure and plan your layout with printable guides, rug size charts, and layout tips for every room. Module 5, Design Boards. I'll show you how to use my Canva templates to build your mood boards and room mockups so that you don't have to start from scratch. Module 6, Affording the Designer Look. You'll get my shopping resources from budget-friendly retailers to designer trade vendors that sell direct. You'll learn how to mix high and low or go all low, but no one will be the wiser. Module 7, Order, Install, and Decorate. From delivery prep to styling pillows, hanging artwork, and install day, this is how to make your space feel polished and complete. You'll get over 25 printable worksheets, checklists, and templates to help you stay organized, including paint sheen charts, a full paint list, pillow size guides, window treatment measuring tools, Canva mood board and room elevation templates, budget tracker and retailer cheat sheets, and the best part, you're getting the exact tools I use with my one-on-one clients and students. At the end of the course, there's a guided 8-week challenge to help you actually complete your space. Each week, you'll tackle one part of the process from creating your color palette to sourcing furniture and styling your room. I'll be your coach along the way, and you'll also get access to the private Facebook group to ask questions, share your progress, and stay motivated. When I designed my home over 20 years ago, I made a big mistake. I followed the trend at the time, which was the Tuscan style, and ignored what truly felt like me. We remodeled, chose finishes, and committed to expensive materials that are incredibly hard and super costly to change. After doing the work and gaining more experience, I discovered my true style is modern contemporary. But I didn't take the time before that remodel to figure it out. That mistake cost us thousands, and it's the exact reason I created this course, to help you avoid the trap of designing into the trends that don't reflect your authentic style. I'm also an adjunct college professor, and I've taught these exact methods to students in the classroom. This course is structured, clear, and results-driven, just like a 3-credit college course, but for a fraction of the cost. And if my students can do it, so can you. Right now you could grab the course at the lowest price it will ever be. Plus, I've included a special launch coupon for a limited time. Once the introductory window ends, the price will go up. So if that unfinished room or empty space has been on your to-do list, don't wait. Click the link below to enroll in Designer Home 101 and get started designing your dream space today. You'll get instant access to all 7 modules, the 8-week challenge, Canva templates, shopping guides, the private Facebook group, and most importantly, the tools to finally design a home you love. Now let's stop talking about it and get started together. I can't wait to see you inside. Ciao.